This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Michelle Chastain. Check out this beautiful home with brand new vinyl plank flooring and fresh paint throughout. No carpet. Backyard is fully fenced for kids or pets, split floor plan, vaulted ceiling in the living room, 2-car garage. Primary bedroom has a beautiful tray ceiling and walk-in closet. Conveniently located close to Air Force Base, food and shopping. Won't last long, so schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.